Hey guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. Look what I got for you today, man. This is a Barracuda with a HEMI upgrade. She's beautiful. She's been on the rotisserie. She's got big rubber on the back. She is gorgeous. Take a look at that shaker on that hood there. Yeah, there's a HEMI under there, and she sounds amazing. What a super cool car we got right here, man. Of course, love the color. I mean, when you think Mopar, this is exactly what you think. 1970 Barracuda with a HEMI under the hood. She is a sweetheart, man. Check out the wheels. Absolutely gorgeous. The stance is gorgeous. Now, as I said, this is a Barracuda. It is a BH car. Look in there. Look at that interior, man. Absolutely gorgeous. That door panel looks like it's brand new. The carpeting looks brand new. The dash, the center console, all the upholstery also brand new. I mean, she is gorgeous inside and out. The headliner's looking sweet. The dome lights working up there. Just everything about the car, just amazing. Dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. I mean, you can't say enough good things about this car. She is absolutely gorgeous. And wait till you see this baby up on the lift, man. The bottom side of this car is just pretty as can be. She is amazing. As you can tell, I love it. Look at the dish on that wheel. I tell you what, your cat could lay in there. Hell, your dog could lay in there and take a nap. Look at that. Of course, I see Baer brakes in there. The chrome back here is looking good. The rear panel's been all blacked out, looking good. All right, I got 3 keys here. I'm going with the round one. Everybody wish me luck. Hey, look at that. Okay, inside the trunk here, we got CUDA floor mats here. You can see those big old wheel wells in there housing those gigantic tires. You can see the paintwork in here, all looking sweet. The gutter system around the opening, all looking sweet also. Bottom side of the deck lid looking sweet, all freshly painted, looking good. Now when you look down the side of this car, look at the bodywork on this thing. She is straight as an arrow. I'll tell you what, people are gonna be following you around. You take this car to a car show, they are gonna be knocking you down, wanting to check this baby out. That paint is just as soft and beautiful as can be. I'll tell you what, and right there's what it's all about. HEMI CUDA, baby. So at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment. That means we own this car, so you know we did our homework before we brought it home. And then once we get them here to our shop, we put them up on the lift and inspect them. That way we can answer any question you may have about this beautiful car. It's HEMI time. Let's go. I tell you what, this is one amazing car right here, guys. This is like the holy grail 1970 Barracuda with a HEMI under the hood. Tell you what, that shaker's looking sweet. I mean, the tire setup's looking sweet. Man, I fell in love again. I gotta say it, it's my new favorite car right here. Wait till you see the bottom of this sucker, man. We're gonna put it up in the air so you can check it all out. She is looking sweet. I just can't get over the way this thing sounds, man. She is amazing. And we can deliver this baby anywhere in the world. You you just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you all about this beautiful car, man. I'll tell you what, we'll park this dream in your driveway. You can take this sucker to the car show. You are gonna win more ribbons and trophies with this thing than you can count. As you can see down here on the dash, I mean, it looks brand new. I mean, it looks 1970 down there on the dash. It is just absolutely gorgeous. And of course, there's the Barracuda right there. Tell you what, I'm in love with a Mopar. This thing is amazing. Tell you, I'm always telling you about liking loud exhaust. Well, here we go, loud exhaust. And can you imagine if it wasn't going through any mufflers at all? You put some cutouts on this thing and you will wake the dead, man. This thing is absolutely a monster. Of course, this guy's more interested in looking at us than turning that corner. We just go around him. Here we go. I tell you, I never get tired of that. This thing is a monster. Like I said earlier, we're headed back to the shop right now. We're gonna put her up in the air. We're gonna get the hood up. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you make a good decision. Here we go again. All right, make sure you check us out on all the social media too. We're always got cool cars coming in. So here we are at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us, we're putting it in the air right now. All right, we're underneath this Barracuda now, and man, is it cool under here. As you can see, we got brand new tank, brand new exhaust, and then this baby's been mini tubbed. And look at the job they did. I tell you, it's got sliders in the back, just looking beautiful. And you can see the whole floorboards and the trunk floor, everything has been primed and painted. I mean, we got the primer and then we got the green overspray. We got the Dana 60. We got 411 gears. It is a sure grip. Of course, this has been skinny down a little bit. We got the big old Baer brakes out back with these great big calipers and these great big rotors drilled and slotted. And then take a look up here, man. I'll tell you, if you didn't know what this suspension was supposed to look like, you'd think this was right out of the factory stock, man. They did a beautiful job on it. Of course, this is one of the reasons that this thing sounds so good. It's got these little mufflers on it. And I tell you, I think I'd put some cutouts on this thing so I could really wake up that HEMI. You can see these floorboards look like they're brand new. The fuel line, the brake line, everything's brand new under here. We got a 4L60 E-Trans, that's a 4-speed automatic, guys. We got brand new jet-coated headers looking sweet. You can see the big brakes up front, got the same setup up front as this out back. You can see all the stuff up here looks brand new. I mean, this thing looks like it rolled off the factory floor here. K-member is straight, looking sweet. Front grille here and this lower valance all looking good. The paintwork right down to the bottom edge is looking sweet. Then we got these Mickey Thompsons wrapped on these great looking wheels, man. You can see that Baer brake sticking out there, 6 piston. Let's see if I can find the size here. Where is it? Oh, there it is. 26 by 10 by 18. As you look down the side of this thing, man, I just love the way it looks. The pinch weld's looking sweet. The rocker molding's looking sweet. You can see all that green overspray onto the gray primer here. Torque box is clean as can be. Like I said, that whole setup they did on the mini tub. And of course, look at the dish on these wheels. And again, 6 piston brakes on here too. Let's see, here it is. These are 29 by 15 by 20s out back, guys. She is looking sweet. Can you imagine if they came out of the factory like this? They'd have sold 100 million of these cars. It is the look. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 426 HEMI that's been punched out to 511. That's what the previous owner's stating. And I tell you what, this thing is making a bunch of horsepower. I don't know exactly how much, but I know when you step on this thing, it sets you back in the seat and away you go. She's got dual fours on it underneath that shaker there. They're 750 CFM Edelbrocks. You can see the brand new battery, the shut off on the battery. You can see all the paint work in here looking good. Now it does have manual brakes, but it does have power steering there. Firewall's all painted up, looking good. Looks like a brand new wiper motor in there also. I mean, just everything about this thing. And of course, I love the shaker here. Isn't that cool the way they do the paint? It looks like that baby's shaking. This thing is sweet, man. I tell you, like I said, drive this car anywhere. You're gonna have people following you. Take it to any car show. You're gonna be best of show. You're gonna draw a crowd. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.